Hi guys, welcome back to Kit Car Direct and MK Sportscars. We're out here on a chilly day in December. Look what's come back in. So this is it, this is the old MK demo and it's for sale now. If we've spoken, there's a chance that I've ranted and raved about this thing. I love it to pieces. It was the first car I drove when I joined the MK team and it's currently on desktop wallpaper. So I am a fan of this car. Happy to see it back, probably sad to see it go. But here's some specs about the car and we'll take it out for a drive. Okay, so we'll start with the exterior. The new headlights have been put on. These are the LED indicator LED headlights. Wheelwood front calipers on this car. Windscreen and wind deflectors, absolutely vital with the windscreen. The alloy wheels are actually from the donor car, but they still look very, very pretty. It's just proof that you can use pretty much any wheel. 13 or 15 inches, pretty much the way to go. But being the stud pattern it is, you can find these wheels absolutely anywhere. So you've got the black classic bodywork on this. It's the upgraded chassis with the inboard front suspension, but it's the classic bodywork. You've got the yellow triple stripe pack on there as well. So moving on to the rear of the car, you've got the standard rollover bar. You've also got the LED rear tail lights as well, which are a brilliant upgrade. Okay, moving on to the interior, we've got straight away you can see the billet aluminium gear knob. We've got the high side DRP seats, the Bentley stitch padding, the carbon vinyl tunnel cover. You've got the Mazda dash with the cluster inbuilt and the Mazda steering column, so you've got the indicators and window wipers on there as well. You've also got the 3-inch harnesses on there as well. It's an upgrade that you can have on the pack. Makes life so much more comfortable. One of the biggest benefits of this car is it's still laid out just like the MX-5. Where the indicators and the window wiper stalks are, where the hazard light switch is, where the rear view mirror is mounted, it still feels like a normal car. You can throw the keys to anyone and it's so easy to drive. So also on this car, it is turbo ready. It has the shortened sump pan with the drain plug built in. It also has a heavier clutch. It was built for the turbo, so it's a slightly heavier clutch and be a little bit firmer on the foot, but it is turbo ready. Right, let's jump in the car and take you out for a test drive. So this really is my favourite car out of the lot of them. It's the standard 140 model and I still believe it's more fun than any of the others. That you can throw this around and it's not going to snap your arm off. It's still smooth and civilised, what we 30 mile an hour. It's quiet, it's calm, it's collected, in fourth gear, just chilled out. And I absolutely love it. The car's still a joy to drive, it's still exciting, it's still quite snappy and alive, but it's so relaxing to drive on a nice sunny day. You can really enjoy it. I mean, we're -1 outside at the moment and I'm not having the worst time of my life. I'm certainly warmer than I would be on the bike, given. So as you said, it is turbo ready, all good to go, just to bolt it on, throw the map on, you're away. I still don't think it needs the turbo. I don't think it needs a turbo. And you could never get bored of the noise. So much character in these cars. And I think this engine is so perfect for the role. And I rant and rave about this car all the time. I say about how perfect it is, and I still believe it. I've driven the monsters. I've driven the weapons, I've driven the absolute animals. I still prefer this, I do. And I'm genuinely going to be sad to see it go again. With the windscreen and the deflectors, it's still a joy to drive even in cold weather. Yeah, I'm quite chilly, but it's not unbearable. I'm having a good time. Certainly having a good time. Oh, I know this car. So she's got the R888Rs on. Not ideal for this temperature and weather, but she's actually still quite calm and relaxed in the corners. Obviously we're not belting it, but we're having a good time. Gonna need a cup of tea or two when I get back home. What I love about this car is just how comfortable it is to drive. It's all set up just like the MX-5 really. Everything's here, no weird buttons on the dash. I mean, as much as the sequential box is fun, a nice relaxed, chilled out H-pattern box, never hurt anyone. Let me keep this car. So like all the other for sale cars that we have on the channel, the price, bloody bargain.
What do you do with your other hand? Like.
Right guys, just say thanks Andy for the test drive, that was awesome. If you want to be the lucky owner of this car, it's now had a good spit and polish after the test drive. It's now ready for its new owner. How do you hook us up? Phone call, email, come down here at the factory, sit in it, we'll take you out for a test drive. This one's officially for sale. Hey, if you like what you see, you like these cars, don't forget to press the like, share and subscribe button, and we will catch you next time at MK Sportscars.